My name is Barbara Halverson. I'm the Senior Vice President of Human Resources for Combined Insurance, which is a business unit of Chubb Insurance. I think high-growth business models need to have a human capital strategy that is accurately aligned with the growth levers that you've determined for your particular organization. The culture also needs to be aligned. So for instance, if your environment needs to be high in risk-taking, then the culture needs to be aligned with risk-taking. Your organization also needs to be very nimble. The HR organization, as well as the organizational structure, needs to be nimble to be able to take advantage of the opportunities that are proposed to the organization. And then alignment of goals at every level of the organization. So every level of the organization should understand and be aligned to what those growth levers are. Some of those unique drivers of a high growth business plan include pace of execution, the ability to change and pivot very quickly when the market allows you an opportunity, high focus on results orientation. My organization would say that we are 10% strategy and 90% execution. Risk-taking, the concept of failure forward. Having mistakes made that only project you forward by lessons learned quickly, pivoting, and being able to capitalize on the opportunities. Three important characteristics that align you with growth in your HR capital strategy is talent acquisition, being able to find and retain the very best talent that will help you drive your growth. Your growth is unique to your organization. It's important to find talent that meets your growth. Talent management strategies that are, again, very unique to your growth. So being able to have talent that can pivot, that can be nimble, that you can move around the organization as opportunities present themselves will be very important. And last, organizational design. You need to have an organization that is nimble, that is matrix-oriented, and allows for pace of execution and decision-making. Right now, I'm working on and focused on in the next 2 years is targeted leadership development. Not leadership development in across the board, but very targeted. What are those growth levers that will get us meeting those very aggressive goals, and what are the really specific competencies around leadership that we will need to meet those goals? Secondly, talent management strategies that are very focused on a sales organization, which can be very different and have its own unique characteristics. And then driving and impacting culture, being the culture we say we need to be, and ensuring and impacting that everything we do surrounds that culture and embeds it in our organization.